Running a nonprofit means focusing on your mission, but managing fundraising campaigns, tracking donors, and staying on top of communications can take valuable time away from the work that truly matters. That's why we've created a GoHighLevel GHL automation workflow template tailored specifically for nonprofits. This solution streamlines your fundraising efforts, automates donor communication, and simplifies event management so you can focus on making a difference. Here's how it works. 1. Donor lead capture. 2. The system automatically collects leads from your website, donation pages, and social media campaigns, organizing them in the GHL CRM so you can track potential donors effortlessly. 3. Automated donation follow-ups. 4. When a new donation is made or a potential donor expresses interest, the system sends personalized thank you messages and follow-ups via email or SMS, building strong relationships with your supporters. 5. Event management and registration. 6. With an integrated booking calendar, supporters can easily register for fundraising events or volunteer opportunities, simplifying the process for everyone. 7. Reminder automation. 8. The system sends reminders for upcoming events, campaigns, or donation deadlines to ensure maximum participation and engagement. 9. Post-campaign engagement. 10. After each campaign or event, the system follows up with donors to share results, thank them for their support, and invite them to future opportunities to contribute. This automation workflow template is designed to save you time, enhance donor engagement, and increase fundraising efficiency. With lead capture, follow-ups, event management, reminders, and post-campaign engagement all handled automatically, you'll have more time to focus on your nonprofit's mission. Ready to take your nonprofit fundraising to the next level? Click the link in the description below to download the full automation workflow template for GHL and start automating your success today. Don't wait. Streamline your fundraising efforts now.